Good afternoon. Will you please introduce yourself?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Clarissa Navarre. I'm 41 years old. I'm second to the youngest in the family, and I graduated a 4-year course in BS Nursing in Radio Fatima University.
So you have been an experience in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am. I have 2 years experience in taking care of an elderly male patient with a stroke. I feed him, I take him for a walk, and I give him physical therapy for his fitness, and I also give him back and in his daily activities. I help him in his daily activities.
Yes. So can you take care also on your newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am. Because in nursing school, we have a subject for that, and we have training in the hospital taking care of newborn babies and small children.
Okay. So since your first time if we're going to go to abroad, so how do you control your homesick?
2 years is a short time. When you're busy, you don't feel lonely, you don't feel alone. Just keep yourself busy working, and that will really help.
Okay, so can you promise not to take your vacation and go back to Philippines unless you're not finished for your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook a Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to cook congee, noodles, stir fry, fried vegetables, steamed fish.
Yes, okay. So you're not choosy on food?
No, ma'am.
Yes. So, how do you get along with the young children?
I tell them stories. I play with them, tell them teach them how to sing song or play.
Okay, you may give an example.
Song, ma'am?
Yes.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, thanks for that nice voice. Okay. So, what if the baby has sick? What you should do?
First, I'll take his temperature. Then I'll inform his parents about that his temperature, and I'm not allowed to give him medicine without his parents'
Permission. Okay. So you don't mind if your employer or madam give you a weekday off? Yes. Okay. Yeah. How about if your madam requests you to cut your hair and nail short? Okay. Also. If your madam requests you to cut your hair short and your nail.
I don't mind.
Okay, so it's okay with you, right? Okay, so maybe it's your time to see a message for your future employer.
Hi, ma'am. I hope you like me because I'm trustworthy, I'm hardworking, and I love to take care of elderly, even small children, babies.
Okay, thank you. That's all.
Thank you.